Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be seeing the recipe of sword beans bhaji. That's an Indian recipe. This is the plant and this is the pod which I'll be using. And this is the final dish, the bhaji. It's an Indian snack. So let's see the recipe. These are some of the harvest which I collected on that day. This is the sword beans. It's a legume, looks like a sword. This is a nightshade berries. These are ridge gourd, green chilies. So these are the things which I collected on that day. So some of my harvest for that day. So I'm using the sword beans to make this bhaji. So I have just cleaned it. Just cut the two edges. And if it is too thick, you need to steam it or blanch it for a little. And then you can use it to make bhajis. So this is the washed and cleaned. I have cut the two edges. So I have got plenty of them. So I'm going to store these, some of these in Ziplocs and keep it in the freezer. And this we'll see how to make the bhaji. So here I have some gram flour or besan as we call in Hindi. So I'm adding chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt half a tablespoon, some asafoetida because the gram flour will cause gas in the body, so it's good to add asafoetida. Turmeric powder half a teaspoon, and then we make a batter out of this, not very thin. And here I'm adding some ajwain seeds, just crush it a little and add it. I'm also adding a tablespoon of rice flour to make it crispy. So here I'll mix all of these and make a thick batter out of it. This sword bean is also called Mexican black bean, Jamaican horse bean, or Badasem in Hindi, Seggapputampattai in Tamil, Tamma in Telugu, that is Tamma pattai, and in Spanish, haba de burro, poroto sable. I hope I pronounce it well. If these are eaten in large quantities, it is also becomes poisonous. So better to avoid that. So you can have it in small quantities, which is very beneficial. So the scientific name is Canavalia glaciata. I hope I got it right. So here I am dipping the sword bean in the batter which I prepared and frying it. It's a very easy process, but it's very tasty snack and very healthy snack. This was first grown in Mexico, then all parts of Asia, Japan, Korea, China, India, Australia, everyone grows it now. This soybean is very good for hypertension, for controlling blood sugar, for treating different types of cancer. It's also good for digestion, for sinusitis, for weight loss, to remove cholesterol. It is rich in protein, fiber, zinc, iron, calcium, phosphorus, copper, selenium, manganese. This also has vitamin A, C, B, and so many other nutrients. It also has an antibacterial, anti-allergic, anti-Parkinson effects. That means it prevents Parkinson improving. It is also an antioxidant. It enhances the function of nervous system. It prevents development of Parkinson. The seeds and the roots are also used. The dried seed can be roasted and made tea, which is very beneficial. The roots are used in making stews and soups. You can see the bhajis are fried now. I'm taking it out, and then I'll be adding the second batch. We can also make vegetables, soups, stew. We can boil it. We can use it in different forms. Even the powder is available in the market because of its health benefits. This is used as a traditional medicine. To treat dysentery, diarrhea, nausea, hemorrhoids, back pain, obesity. This is also very good for weight loss. So those who are trying for weight loss can use it, consume it. This has got an antimicrobial property. It prevents food poisoning. You can see this is a very easy process. You can make it as a evening snack. This vegetable is also consumed for bone health, immunity, and it prevents many cancer from spreading. So it has got anti-cancer properties. I was first introduced to this vegetable from my husband, who is a Malayali from the state of Kerala in South India. So there they grow it in large quantities and consume it. So I had never seen this before I married my husband. So now we have it in our garden. We get plenty of them. We distribute to our friends, neighbors, and also cook it as vegetable. So I just thought I'll make bhajis out of it. This was the first time I am trying. It came out very well. We all liked it. So now we make it very often. In my videos, I just try to give as much information which I can gather about the vegetables or the ingredients which I'm using, so that people know what I'm cooking and how it is good for our health. So I try to include all the rare vegetables which people may not have seen or heard. So this is one of them. In India, many are using it, I know that. This has got different name. So in Hindi it is called Badasem, and in Tamil, Seggapputampattai. It is also called Tamma, I think, in Telugu. And the Spanish name is haba de burro, poroto, sable. Please pardon my pronunciation. So whatever I'm reading, maybe it is not correct. So if you think you know the better name on pronunciation, please let me know. I can also learn from you. And also please do share any other dishes from this vegetable. So we also cook like a thoran, which is a dish in Malayalam from the state of Kerala in South India. So let me know if there is any other way of cooking and eating this vegetable. This vegetable is a legume. It is like a big broad bean, huge in size, and looks like a sword. So that is the reason the name is sword bean. It's a pod with seeds inside, just like a bean. It is little lighter in color than the regular bean. So this is my last batch going on now. You can enjoy this bhaji with some dip or chutney or ketchup. So we are going to enjoy this as an evening snack. If you think your bean is too thicker, so please do blanch it or steam it for a little while and then follow this recipe so that it cooks well. This year we didn't get many of the vegetables, but this was one vegetable which we got in plenty. So I'm making this dish as I have plenty of the sword bean. My final batch is over now. I'm just taking it out. I hope you all liked my video. Let me know if any other information is there. I can also learn from you. I got few more left. I'm just making it. I think this is the final for me. You can see how long. These are the last ones, the longer ones. Just slightly fitting my pan. I had kept it for the last. So this vegetable is soft from inside and crunchy from outside because of the rice flour we added, and very tasty. It's a regular dish in South India. I hope you liked my video and the recipe. Please do like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye.